So I'm down at Moto Corsa in Northwest Portland. We are visiting the motorcycle cookbook launch party with Amanda Zito, and it's just great. Tons of bikes.
Woke up this morning with the sunrise in my eyes, just like a new day, a breath of fresh air in my life. I don't know how, don't know why, but I'll be toasting all my life. My boots and briefcase are waiting at the door. My ride's sweeter to meet the one I love. I don't know how, don't know why, but I'll be toasting all my life.
It's just doing really good. Super proud of you, Amanda. And I'm excited to get my hands on a book. So, really nice presentation. She's good in front of a crowd, so having a really good time.